Hello guys, it's me, Goth Nerd Spoonie, with another box of Goth unboxing. It's the July box and it's the Goth garden, which could be really interesting. So I would like a Goth garden of my own. I'm trying to find black plants and purple plants and very deep red plants to go in the garden. This year I bought ferns because we like ferns, I suppose. So let's see what's in here then. Loosen the lid to make it easier to take off. Oh, that's pretty. There's a petal of some sort. Oh, and there's also a smell in here that I know I don't like. I can smell lavender, which actually makes me feel a bit queasy. So let's see what we got. I like the green noodles. It's very bright. Oh, and another petal. It's very pretty. It's like an organza material, very soft. And some black leaves attached to something. I won't yank at that yet. But I can see what the problem is. That's a bag of lavender. Yeah, oh dear. Throw that away over the side of the bed somewhere, because, oh, excuse me a moment, folks. Oh dear, that really did make me feel a bit queasy. But we're back again. So, what else is in here? There's a little packet. Very well wrapped up. I'll have to undo that separately. I'm not going to be able to do that on camera because I can't hold the camera and undo the parcel. There's a little chain in a bag with something else in there. It's a very nice green as well. Garden green, I suppose. And I have what looks like a little butterfly, yes. A little wooden bead, or button, I guess. Butterfly's got two little holes in it. This is the badge for the Goth garden, I should say, Goth garden box. That is lovely. I like that. Very nice pin badge. Oh, goes upside down. Yes, it's got a tiny little skull. Try and get it focusing without the light on it. A little skull in a black rose, possibly. One of my favourite thin Izzy tracks. And there we have another one. Black and white rose, monochrome rose. That's a patch, stick-on patch, iron-on patch. Very nice, very glittery, shiny, not glittery. Oops, it's just come ping. So what's this? Ah, it's a black rose. Oh, isn't that beautiful on a stalk? Oh, that's nice. I can put that in with my fake flowers. I just wish everything didn't smell like lavender. I'm having a bit of a sick stomach because of it, I'm afraid. That is beautiful. We have a little leaf with a bite taken out of it, possibly, on a key ring chain. Noodles everywhere. Noodles everywhere. And this is beautiful as well. What's this? Say Wasp. Hang on. Wasp in it. Oh, it's the DMC. Oh, look at her designs. Oh, beautiful. It's the DMC one that we were promised in this box. She does beautiful things. And that is just freaky deaky. I do believe it's a wasp-like creature in a glass. This little wasp lived out its life in Ramsey, Merseyside in Cambridgeshire in the United Kingdom, preserved in resin for you to admire its natural beauty. Actually, I prefer the sticker. That is good. I love holographic stickers. That is wonderful. But yes, that's quite cool too. It'll go with my beetle and my other taxidermy stuff. Oh, excellent! Two little corvus, little black crows with their eyes pecked out. Well, holes for eyes. Yes, little earrings, stud backs. There's a little packet here. Sorbet Black. I'm not sure you can see the picture properly. Delight viola seeds. Black violas. That is wonderful. Oh, I'll enjoy planting those for next year. We have the wonderful Morticia in her lovely garden pruning. Making sure she gets all the heads off the thorns so she can admire the thorns in her garden. It's lovely. I like that. Also the little leaflet thing that comes with it. I'll read that out in a moment. And now I'll just undo all the things so that I can, here we go. Faux rose stem. The flower's stem can be bent backwards or forwards, and you can open up any flattened or misshapen petals by steaming them. Okay, so this is careful not to burn yourself. Yes, that's wise, as I often do. So I have 3 little packages that I need to open. I'll be back when I've done that. Okay, so first up we have this beautiful pin badge. It's quite large for a pin badge. You can see an elegant hand holding a little flower. Black and silver. That is beautiful. I really like that. So it's quite large for a pin badge. Very elegant. We also have this lovely acrylic crow, jackdaw crow, not sure. That is nice too. That's a really good heavy chain on it. And unfortunately, although it was very well wrapped, this beautiful gargoyle garden ornament has come with a wing snapped. Ah well, I'll get it together and then give it a little bit of colouring maybe. But I think that'll fit quite well. And it's made it more personal. It's definitely my box now. The clumsy box, the bits falling off. Yeah, that suits me tremendously as a klutz. I really like him. He is really cool. That is amazing. Wow, thanks ever so much again, Box of Goth. You've blown me away. Another month of blowing me away. Right, so we have Goth Garden, Wasp Charm by at DMC Designs, half a murder crow studs. Oh, half murder crow studs. Murder crow studs, yes. A murder is a collection of crows, so I suppose 4 must make a murder. Acrylic Crow pendant, Black Rose embroidery patch, mini gargoyle, Faux Black Rose stem, picking flowers enamel pin, Morticia Cutting Roses sticker, a Viola Sherbet Black Delight flower seeds, the theme pin badge. And there we have it. That is, again, another amazing box. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope my hand stayed still long enough so that you could see everything properly, and I hope it focused properly. Oh, hello, Kizzy. The poodle is getting in the shot now. Thank you. She's been ever so quiet. There we go. That's one of the Goth dogs. We have another one over here. He's sitting quietly, having a kip. Oh no, having a clean. Maybe I shouldn't have showed that on camera. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry about your privacy, Poppy. There we go. And here we have the other one lying down happily, nearly in the box, wondering what's going on. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.